Anyone know that why this one is not coming? Yeah, ribbon should come, right?
2.3.6. What's the
In which version?
2.3.6.
2.3. No, 2.3 is not there. 2.6.3 is there. 2.59 there. Hmm.
Otherwise, copy the artifact ID, then we can search.
Artifact ID. 1 minute. This one, right? Okay. Yeah. Hey, why this one is not coming? It's clean the selection. Ribbon should come. Why this one is not coming? I don't know. 1 minute. I'll check it. Be patient, guys. Hmm. Why ribbon is not coming?
How many?
Hmm? It's need, I think. Let's add what? Let's add what? External, right? External dependency, right? From here onward, from here we will take that dependency. Later we will check why that dependency is not coming. Correct, guys?
Yes.
Okay, let's take from here only, right? Let's take from here only. So I don't know if I add here from here it will work or not, but 1 minute. Which one is more? Only one the people are used, right? So which ribbon? Only 4 member. The view also less, right? Which one we will use here from here? May 2019. Okay, let's take this one only. Okay, I'm copying this dependency, right? I'm copying this dependency. Let's see that. Okay, if not work tomorrow, I will check this one. Why this one is not coming now, guys? So Eureka server. Yeah. Now let's create it. Now new. Let's take what? One Spring Starter project. So let's give the name what? Spring Cloud. Spring Cloud product service, right? Spring Cloud product service. Now next ribbon. Okay, no issue. Okay, let's select what? Eureka Discovery Client and what? Web, sir. Spring Web, right? Spring Web. We will add external, right? Externally we will add it, that. Yeah, finish. Okay, now project is created.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is the project. Okay, project is created. Open the pom.xml, right? And paste that dependency here. Ribbon dependency, right? I pasted.
Maybe if we remove the version, any problem?
No, we will remove it because the it should based on the other version also, right? I will remove it.
It will be supported 2.1.3.
Sorry,
Ravi, check Eureka ribbon.
Eureka ribbon. 1 minute, it's going on now. Until unless if not completed this one, I can't do anything.
Uh,
Now remove the version here. Yeah, fine. No, but this one is giving problem, right? Okay.
Ravi, artifact ID is Spring Cloud Starter Netflix ribbon,
Mm-hmm.
and here is different.
Ravi, is it present into the parent project?
No, that is
Hello.
because of that. I think this one is not giving, right?
Yeah, might be that case.
Yeah, this.
So might be they are just left the support of the ribbon.
I think so. One minute, let's check like this only. Then we will, if not, then we will think about that, right?
Okay. Thank you, Ravi. Fine.
Yeah. Yeah, fine. Okay, so let's remove the version. Let's see that what will happen. Yeah, now it's fine, right? No, but still. Okay. Okay, now no problem, right? Whenever we will take the dependency, we will know that, right, it's working or not. Okay, let's do the coding, right? Let's do the coding. So if the problem will come, then we will think about another way, right? Another way, but we added that dependency now. Definitely it will work. Definitely it will work. But I think the support, why this one is not, because we changed also, right? We changed the version and even see that, but ribbon is okay. Okay, so now main method label. What is the annotation we will use it now, guys? At the rate what? Enable
Eureka
Eureka
client.
client.
yeah, at the rate enable what? Eureka client. Good.
Okay.
Yeah. So the property label, right? Now open the properties now. Open the property now. Okay, good. So in the property, we will write what? Server dot what? Port.
Dot port.
Server dot port. Just I'm giving what? 8080. The port number are, let's give what? 9090. Okay. The port number 9090 of what? Our consumer application now, guys. Okay. So here what is spring application. Let's give the application name, right? Means what? Service ID. So here what is that? Let's give the product name. Product what?
Yeah,
Product
product service.
service. Product service. Fine now, guys. Okay, good. So after then what? We need to register what? We need to give the location of this application also na to our what?
Yes.
Eureka
Yes,
server. So
Ravi.
what is that? Eureka dot
Eureka
what? Client.
hyphen
Eureka dot client dot service
URL.
service hyphen
Service URL.
URL dot what? Default
Default
June. Default June, right? Equal to what? HTTP colon double slash localhost what? Localhost colon what? 87 61, right?
61.
8761
Yes.
Eureka.
Eureka.
Okay, good. So now, but who's the consuming the services? We need what? One more microservices, right? Right? Consumer microservices. Come on. Consumer microservices we need or not, guys? Come on.
Yes.
Yes, we need.
So we need to write one controller here, na?
Yes, Ravi.
Yes.
Okay. So now right click new. Now take one class. Now here, what is that? Consumer REST. Now here what we will give now? What is the name? We will specify the project controller name. Product
Consumer REST
REST
controller.
product REST controller, right? Product
Yes,
REST
Ravi. Product
controller.
test
Now
controller.
fine. Now fine, guys. Okay. Now fine. So after then what is that? If we want to make this class as what? REST controller class, then what is that?
REST controller.
Yeah,
At the
REST
request
Controller.
REST controller. We will give the REST controller. If we want to specify the what is that class label path, then what is that?
Request mapping.
request mapping.
Request mapping.
Yeah,
Request mapping.
request mapping annotation we will apply. Here what we will give now, guys? What we will give it here now? Here we will give what? Let's give what?
Dash
Product,
Product.
right? Product name, right? Okay, good. So after then what? After then what we will do it now, guys? So after then let's what? First we will develop what? We will develop our what? Vendor object, right? Which one will interact with what? This one. And then what we will do it now? We will make the has a relation with what? This class. Clear?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay,
Yes, Ravi.
Yeah,
so
okay, Ravi.
now let's create one more object, right? Is nothing but one more consumer, right? Consumer
Yes.
class. So here I'm taking what? Here I'm taking the vendor rest consumer, right? Vendor rest consumer. Now finish it. So after then what we will do it now? If you want how our container will create the object of this class, we need
At
to
the rate
apply.
component.
Yeah,
Component.
At the rate component.
yeah, at the rate component we will apply on the top of what?
Component
At the rate component. Good.
class.
So now come to this point now, guys. Okay, come here, come in this point now. So now let's develop it, right? Let's develop it here only. So if we want to make the has a relation between what? Load balancer to this class now. So what we will do it now, guys? Here we will take what is that? Private load balancer. Is it there?
Load balance.
Yeah, this is the load balancer client, right?
Interface. Yes, Ravi.
Yeah, this is the load balancer client interface, right?
Yeah, at the rate auto wide.
Now,
Client.
yes. So,
Client.
okay, good. So client, right? This is the client now. Okay, so we will make that this one as what has a relation. So what is,
Auto-wire.
yeah, auto wire. We will apply on the
Data
top of what?
provider.
Yes, auto wire. Now, good. So after then what? Come to our what? A product rest controller. So here we will make that what? Has a relation.
Has a relation.
Private vendor vendor rest
Rest
consumer,
consumer.
right? Now
Consumer.
consumer. Okay, good.
Consumer.
So we will make this one also as a what? Has a relation. So what annotation we will apply now? At the rate
Auto-wire.
auto wire, right? Okay, good. Now come here. Now come here. Focus on this area now, guys. Okay, focus on this area now. So here, now come here. So load balancer interface. So we will choose what is that service ID now?
Yes,
Yes,
Ravi.
Ravi.
Hmm?
Yes, sir.
So for that, we will write one method inside this class now, guys. Okay, we will write one method now. So what we will write now? Public what? Public string return type. We will take what? String now get data. Let's take what? Get data, right? Get data and return null. Now null, later we will
Null.
return it. Okay, so okay guys, so good. So after then what? Get one in service ID from the Eureka. What is that? Right? So what we will do it now, guys? What we will do it now? If we want to get the service ID, so what I said now, choose, right? Choose method is there, right? Choose, we will choose it now. One service ID, come on,
Yes, Ravi.
Yes.
we will choose it, right? So now here what, inside this method, what we will do it now, guys? What we will do it now? Just let's give the comment also, right? Give the comment also. Get what? Get one,
Service ID.
yeah, service ID from what? From
Use.
Eureka server. Eureka, right? Eureka, in the bracket, let's give what is that? Allow always, right? Always different ID. Different ones come, right? Different one come. Different ID will come. Different ID, right? Different ID. Okay, so good. What we will do it now, guys? So here we will take the client. We will take the help of what? Client dot what? Choose, right? Yeah, choose method is there. Come on, guys. Based on our theory,
Yes,
it's going
Ravi.
on or not? Based on our theory, it's going
Yes.
on or not, guys? Come on.
Yes.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, so inside this one, what we will do it now, guys? Inside this one, what we will do it now? Now come to our what? Producer
Service
application.
We will
ID.
pass.
Producer application service ID we need, right? Producer application what? Service ID we need, right?
Service ID.
Application property.
1 minute. This is the producer application property, right? So what is the producer application? What is that service ID now, guys?
Vendor service.
Now
Vendor
vendor service. Now
Vendor
come
service.
here and what? Just paste it. Now, okay, this one will return what? One instance or not, guys? Come on.
Yes,
Ravi.
Ravi.
Service
Only
instance.
single instance.
Yeah,
Service instance.
this one will return what? Service instance, guys. Okay, this one will return what? One
Service instance.
service instance, right? Service instance. Okay, because last time what is that? We are getting list of instances. Now in this time, what
Yes.
we are getting now? Only one instance, guys. Okay, come on, yaar.
Yes,
Yes,
Ravi.
Ravi.
One instance we are getting now. Next what we will do it now, guys? Next what we will do it now? Next we will what? Get
Prepare
one.
the URI.
Yeah, we will create what? We will
URL.
create what? URL. We will create what? URL, right? URL. So now come here. Okay, so next one is what we will read now. First, what is that? We will read a URI, right? We will read
Yes,
the
Ravi.
Yes,
URI,
Ravi.
right? Okay, now come here in the coding part. So how we will read it now? How we will read it now? So service ID dot what get method is the, sorry, get URI is there or not, guys? I hope
Yes,
the
Ravi.
people are remember. I hope the people are remembered. Come on,
Yes, Ravi.
respond, respond,
Yes, Ravi.
guys.
Yes, Ravi. Plus.
Yeah,
Yes.
Yes,
plus
Ravi.
plus what we need now? What we need now? Our consumer,
Path.
right?
We have to add
We need what?
consumer path.
Producer rest controller, right? We need what is that? Producer rest product consumer, no, not this one. Yeah, this one we need what is that? Our producer rest controller path or not, guys? Vendor plus what data na? Come on, yaar.
Yes.
Data. Yes, Ravi.
Yes,
Vendor
Ravi.
data.
Yeah, so here what we need now, guys? What we need? Slash vendor.
Double.
Vendor slash what is that? Data na? Come on, clear?
Yes.
Yes, Ravi.
Yeah. Okay.
Clear. Now here what we will get it now, guys? Here what we will get it now? As a
String URL.
yeah, very nice. We will get what? URL. Here we will
String
get the
URL.
URL, right?
URL.
Now, then what we will do it now? We will make the request to whom? Our consumer, na?
REST template.
Yeah, REST template, right?
Yes,
So we
Ravi.
need, so I'm writing short format, guys. Okay, REST template format. I'm writing what is that? New REST template, right? REST template. REST template dot what is that? Get entity, right? Entity method. Get for what is that? Get for,
Get for entity.
yeah, get for entity, right? Get for entity, we need what is that? URL up, after then what is that? It will return what is that?
String
String,
dot
right?
class.
Yeah, very nice, very nice.
Yes.
String dot what? Class, right? String dot class.
Class.
Okay, so then this one will return what is that? This one will return what? This one will return
Response.
response entity. Very nice. Okay, response entity.
No.
Yes, yes,
Yes,
response,
Ravi. Response entity.
response entity, right? Yeah, response entity, and we will take the generic type as what? String. Now res, right? Res, if anybody is what if anybody is what watching our videos on what YouTube related to REST, those people is catching this point, guys. Okay, I don't know about the other, because at the time of, because when I was using REST template client there, right? So I clearly explained that one, right? So now return. So here what we are now doing now, let's return that, right? Return, what is that? Return response resp dot what is that? Get body. I hope the people are, whenever we are selecting header, whenever we are reading the data from the header section, body section, I hope res dot what? Get body method is there. This one will return what? String type of data. Come on, we are converting the data, we are fetching the data, and we are converting in the what? String format. Come on, yaar. I hope the people are remember.
Yes, Ravi.
Yeah, so now our what? Our what? Our vendor rest consumer is ready now, guys. Okay, so now come in what? Come inside that what? Our consumer vendor producer rest controller. So here we need to write what? Let's write some code right here also, because we need this messages also, right? So here also we are
Yes, Ravi.
taking what? Public what? Public, let's take what? String
String.
let's get information, right? Gets information, right? Get information. So what is that? Let's return here also, return some
Return.
messages. Let's write what? From, let's write from product, from the product, right? From the product plus what? We will call that, what is that? That consumer also, right? We need to
Consumer dot.
consumer messages also, right? So here what we will do now, plus what is that? Consumer consumer dot what? Get a data method is there, right? Get a data method inside that consumer what? Get a data method only we wrote, right?
Yes,
Yeah,
Ravi.
get data. Now fine. Now fine, so this one we will make this one also as what, get type request now guys. Okay, so what is that? Get mapping, right? Get mapping. Inside this one, what we will do it now, we will give the one
Info.
URL. So let's take info only. Clear?
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay guys, so now let's run the application, right? Okay, let's run the again our application now guys. So first, which one we will run now? Our Eureka server we will run now guys.
Yes, Ravi.
Yeah, now I'm running this one. Everyone is focusing in the session now guys.
Yes,
Yeah,
Ravi.
Ravi.
Yes.
Yeah, so come to browser now guys. Okay, come to browser. Okay, just I'm opening now here only. So here, what is that? Localhost 8765. Now we got the Eureka dashboard now. Come on guys,
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, Ravi.
clear? So
Yes.
Yes,
now
Ravi.
there is a no instance. Come on, any instance is running now? No, na?
No, Ravi.
No.
No, Ravi.
Now let's run our application now. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, our what is that? Our
Product
product
service.
service, right? Product service, right? So no, product service first we will not run. We will run what? Our Spring vendor service, right? So now run this one, right? One time, first time I'm running, 3 times we will run the same application guys. Okay,
Okay, Ravi.
so just I'm refreshing now. See this, one instance is running now guys. Come on,
Yes, Ravi.
Yes.
one instance is
Yes, Ravi.
running now.
One instance.
Again same application. I said that we will run the same application 3 times guys. Okay, 3 times. Okay,
Yes, Ravi.
Yes,
okay,
Ravi.
observe it guys. Okay, so again I'm opening this application property here. So here 9090 port number is there now. Now let's give what, 7070, right? I'm changing the
Yeah.
port number. I'm changing the
Ravi.
port number guys. Okay, so now again I'm running
Ravi.
this one. Okay, again same application I'm running now. Now come here, right? Now refresh the browser now. See this, observe it, how many instances is running in this time now guys? What is that? Just
2
observe it,
instances.
one instance, and
Two.
here what, another instance. Come on,
Yes, Ravi.
Yeah,
come
two
on,
instance.
see guys, this
Yes,
one
Ravi.
is the
2
another
instances
instance
are running.
ID, right? And this one is what, another instance. This one is what, another
Yes, Ravi.
instance. And here it's available zone also, right? See this, how many is showing now?
Two.
2
Two,
zones.
right? Now let's run one more
Yes.
time. Let's run one more time guys. Okay, let's run one more time. What I'm doing now, let's give, what is that, 7272, right? Let's give what, 7272. Let's give what, 7272. And again what I'm going to do now, I'm running this one now. Yeah, so come to browser again now guys, just refresh it. Now see this, how many instances is running in this time now guys?
Three,
See,
Ravi.
3
three, right?
instances.
And see this,
Yes.
see one instance till now, right?
Yes.
Now
Yes,
one
Ravi.
instance, now one instance.
Yes.
This is the one instance. 3 instances is running vendor services now guys.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, so now let's run our what, consumer application also. Now let's run our what, consumer application also. Where that our consumer application now?
Product service, Ravi.
Product service, right? Product service. Okay.
Yes.
Now run this one. Right click, run this one.
Ravi. Yeah,
Yeah,
you open wrong, Ravi. You open profile service.
sorry.
Yeah, you didn't open product service, Ravi.
Yeah, correct. vendor, right? And this one is what? Profile service, and let's kill this one. Okay, this one, right? Yeah.
Yes.
Now
Yes, Ravi.
right click, run, refresh. Now come here, refresh this one. Oh, 1 minute. We killed, yeah, wrong one. Okay, 1 minute. Now I'm
I
stopping
think
all
we.
the server, all the server again 3 times I will run it. Yeah, all are stopped, right? Yeah. Okay, observe it, guys. Okay, so close all first because confusion will come, right? Now what I'm going to do now, let's first run the load balancer, right? Now I'm running this one. Okay, this one is running now. Okay, so okay, good. So come here to browser now, refresh it. We got the dashboard now, guys. There is no instances.
Yes,
Come
Ravi.
on,
Yes, Ravi.
there is a no instance na.
No instance.
No instances.
Okay, now good. So come to our what vendor services, right? We will run 3 times the vendor, but first we will open the property, right? Because we need to change the port number na, right? Now
Yes,
run
Ravi.
this one, run 1 time. Now refresh it. One vendor service is running na, guys. One instance is running in the Eureka na.
Yes,
Yes,
Ravi.
Ravi.
Now just change 7.1. Okay, I'm changing the port number again. I'm running the same application, guys. Now run it. Now refresh it. Two instances is running na, guys. Observe it. 2 instances is running na.
Yes, Ravi.
Now I'm taking 3. Okay, this one. So again, what I'm doing now, again I'm running this one now. Now come here, now refresh it. 3 instances is running na, guys. Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, Ravi.
Yeah, now observe it, guys. Okay, now observe it here. Come to our what? Come to our what? Now let's close all this tab. Now open that what? Open our what? Spring Cloud product service, right? Consumer application, right? Now run this one now, guys. Now observe the dashboard. Now to see this vendor service instances also came na, guys. Come on. Sorry, no, product
Yes,
service.
Ravi.
See
Road
this
service.
Product
product
service
service.
also can.
Product service also, but only one instance is there na. Come on.
Yes,
Yes,
Ravi.
Ravi.
And this one is how many instances is there?
3.
3 instances.
3 instances, right? 3 instances. Now observe it, what I explained now, guys. I said that, right? We will run the same application 3 times, means what? 3 instances, and the consumer will be only one na. Come on.
Yes, yes,
Yes,
Ravi.
Ravi.
Okay, now come here. Now click here, right? Producer application, right? Click on this one, right? Come on. Now we got it, right? Here. What is that? What is the
Road.
URI we took now, guys? What is the URI we took
Product.
in here? Product and what? Info na?
Product info.
Product
Yes, Ravi.
/info.
Info.
Now hit it. Dependency is not working, yaar. Because of that we are, otherwise we will get the response here now.
Yeah, we have an error Ravi, in console.
Yeah, I will check it first. 1 minute, let's. Yeah, that one only in the console we will get what? See this,
Error.
the dependency null, right? Null pointer exception, this one is giving, right? Null pointer exception, this one is giving. One minute, let's check it. Why we will get the null point? Why we are getting the null pointer exception? You know that dependency is not working. Because of that we are getting, right? We are getting, otherwise everything is fine. Yeah. The dependency is not working, right? Because of that we are getting. What we will do it now? We are not able to show that what load balancer concept na. Mm.
Edit the ribbon Ravi. Otherwise, someone told like such in
mm,
Eureka ribbon.
Eureka ribbon, where? Here. One more time, what do you want to say?
Replaced with dependency Ravi.
Replace the dependency, right? Here you are talking about this dependency na.
Yeah, in form.xml.
Mm-hmm. This dependency is not working, right? Because one more things is there now. 1 minute, because at the time of importing, right, if this one is working properly, then we can get here, right? Because the dependency import statement also wrong, right?
New version also.
This load
Then
balancer, I don't know why this one is not giving in my system. Control shift O. That one should come like what? Netflix, but Netflix suggestion is not giving, right? Here not Netflix suggestion is not coming. Control shift O. It's come like Netflix. Mhm. Why this one is not coming? Because of that, it's not able to hold that data, right? Because of that, this one is coming. 1 minute.